Yo, what's going on, people? Boss man, CNB Outdoors. I'm out here finishing up on my little project, man. Last video, I installed the bow mount by one objective. So today, I'm gonna finish putting on the quick release bracket by Minn Kota. And I was reading some of y'all comments, and a few of y'all was telling me to go back and use some silicone. So that's what I did. I took everything apart and I put some silicone on there. So what I did was I put some silicone on it, around the hole and up under there, around nice and good. Got a nice little blob up under there. And what I did, I changed the screws that they gave me. I changed them back here because I ended up stripping one of them, trying to take it back off. But these bolts that they sent, I don't like them. They strip out and they tear up too easy, so they need to get a different kind of bolt to use for this install. The fillet part on the inside of there is stripped all out and I couldn't use it. I couldn't get the bolt back off, so I had to drill it out. So I went and bought some Hicks head 1/4 inch by 20, and I put them on there instead, and they work just fine. So everything ready to go, everything tightened up. So now we're gonna put that quick release bracket on there. Here go the quick release bracket. All you need for this install is a ratchet, the same ratchet, 7/16, and a 7/16 box wrench. Got the hardware kit right here. So on this install, this here part comes off. This here part stays with the trolling motor. So we'll set that over there. This part right here stays with the bow mount. So we're gonna go ahead and install this piece right here. They use the same size bolts on this whole install. It's a 1/4 inch by 20. This is a 3-inch bolt. So we're gonna go ahead. And install this here piece. I'm gonna go ahead and get the long bolts out of here. On the instructions, they say you're supposed to use washers, but I don't understand why you have to use the washers when they already got like a washer. They already got like a washer or retainer up under there. So I don't know. I'm gonna just backdoor it with a. Lock nut. Cause this retainer is already threaded. Get back, get back. See, this is what I mean right here. See, these screws, they strip so easy. You try to tighten up on it, you try to torque down on them, they start stripping. But it's on there, it ain't going nowhere. The next part would be the trolling motor. Hope it don't start raining. But on the trolling motor, you gotta take the side piece off on both sides. You got a screw right here. You got a screw right there on both sides. So let's get the side panels off. Get back, get back, get back. All right, people, so the next step is putting the base part for the trolling motor, putting it on. And it already got the holes for it. You just line it up. And you want your countersinks. You want your countersinks on top, not on the bottom. You want them on top. Got 6 screws, so they just fall right in. Then you got to put a lock nut and a washer on the back side. And this hole right here is where you put your lock at for your quick release pin. And that's what this thing is right here. So it slides in right here. You put your boat through this hole right here. You want the fat end to go in. But we'll get to that in a minute. So right now, we just want to get this bad boy bolted down. So with your socket being too deep, what you want to do is you can stuff it with some paper. Let me find some paper. See, I got it stuffed with some paper. That way that nut won't be too, see, it's flush with the socket. If I didn't have that paper in there, it'd be way down here and it's not gonna reach the boat. Oh, hell. Look, people. I'm trying to squeeze off up in there and get that boat off up in there. And all it is this right here. The release for the trolling motor. All I had to do was press that down. Boy, I'll tell you. But I just feel real dumb right now. I feel real dumb right now. All right, so I want my quick release pin to be on this side, so I'm gonna leave this side open. All right now, so we're gonna go ahead and start tightening them up. And be careful not to strip them. That's it on all your screws. Now on this side, this is where I want my locking mechanism to go. So that's this piece right here, and your screw goes in that end right there. So you slide the thick part in there, put your screw in there, flip it back over, put your washer and your lock nut on. Screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, 7/16. Tighten it down. That's it. Got the locking mechanism in there. Everything tightened down. So now we can put the panels back on the side. Got this side on. this side on. And this is your locking mechanism, and they come with a quarter pin. All right, so move all this stuff out the way. Here go the silicone I used. Put this down. Take the pedal system out. It's gonna be in the way. All right, so got everything on. We're gonna go ahead and set it on the kayak. Y'all stay tuned. There it is, people. There it is. And your pin goes right here to lock it in place. Quarter key. Keep it from sliding out. Prop go right here. I ain't gonna put the prop on yet. Prop goes right here. I'll put that on later. But that's it, people. I did it. I can't let it down yet because shaft is too high. Let me see. Let me wait a minute. Let me see. See if I can raise it up. And see, that's what this here knob is for right here. You can, once you cut it, you can still adjust it a little bit with this knob right here. And now you see why that shaft gotta be cut. You see how tall that shaft is in relation to the kayak? It's about to be on like Donkey Kong. All right, y'all, there it is. I did it. Minn Kota Rover installed. All I gotta do now is wire it up. And I'm gonna be ready. You know what I'm saying? Hey, bluegill and crappie, hey, y'all better watch out. I'm trying to think of a name for my kayak. Y'all leave a comment, man. Drop some names, man. Drop some names in the comment, man, so I can put a name on this thing. I know some of y'all probably wondering, why is it called a quick release bracket. I'm gonna show you. So if I don't want to leave this trolling motor on a kayak, I can take it off. Pull your pin out. You can take that trolling motor off. That's why it's called a quick release bracket. I guess it's gonna hold up. I guess there's only one way to find out, and that's to put it in the water. I'm out here in the dark, man. I hear all kind of creatures and leaves cracking and noise and stuff outside. So I'm gonna wrap everything up, man, and I'm gonna get on back in the house. And that's it, man. Minn Kota to Rover installed. And once I get my battery and all my plugs and stuff, we're gonna wire this baby up. So that's gonna be a whole nother video. I appreciate everybody tuning in. I appreciate the love, and I love y'all back. And I'm gonna get out of here, man. Until the next time, y'all be easy. I'm out of here. Peace.